Hello, I'm Nat Wertz.
And I'm Austin Rowland, and this is the latest and greatest in web development technology. We have created a Chuck Norris joke generation website.
Okay, so let's start out by looking at our registered users database. We'll see we have 4 users currently with encrypted passwords for each. So let's fire up our website, which it was, but now we will. Let's navigate to localhost 3000. We'll see our login page. We can try some of our current users with incorrect passwords. And then let's try registering a user. Let's try one that already exists with different passwords. Username taken. Then we can try passwords that don't match. But let's just set the password as E for simplicity. User registered. And then let's check out our database to see if that got loaded in, which it did, with our new password, which is encrypted with the salt. And yes, let's go log in with our new username and password. And we'll navigate to the main page.
Okay, so some of the design decisions in the main page over here. So we have just a little bit about the creators. In order to divide up content, we use the Flexbox layout. As you can see, scrolling through the page, the navigation bar stays up top the whole time in a fixed position. And then we also utilized CSS keyframes in order to get a color changing background for both these like navigation buttons and the background.
Okay, so now let's look at the game button. So the whole game is generating Chuck Norris jokes. Essentially, with event-driven programming, we'll hit a button to generate a joke. This joke will this page will utilize a third-party API, which I can show you right now. Give me 1 second. So it's right here. We use our API key as well as our third-party API to fetch that joke. And you'll also notice we locally store our jokes in an array, which we'll later use on our third page on our website. So let's go back to our site. Let's generate some more jokes. And if we go to our history page, we can hit view your joke history, and all of those jokes that we just generated will pop up here because we stored them locally.
And just going through and adding a couple more. Now we've got those most recent jokes on there as well.
Exactly. I believe we hit on mostly everything. But yeah, if we go out of here and redirect to a new site, let's say now A is logging in. We can go to that history and we'll see nothing pops up because we cleared it. But if we generate another joke, now that will be there. So yeah. That is our website.
And just to summarize, we have a login page and a registration page. We've utilized a third-party API for this project. We've created a web server. We've hit all of our CSS styling requirements, included event-driven programming and a database. And that is the site that you see presented to you in this video.
Thank you.
Let's get a couple more jokes going. Those are awesome.
Oh, let's hit this.
Takes Chuck Norris 20 minutes to watch 60 minutes.
There we go. We hope you enjoyed watching us present our website, and have a good summer. Thank you. I will stop recording. Beautiful.